Hello there, my lovely friends. My name is Lisa, and welcome to Isla and Alice. In today's video, I'm going to show you me putting away my Christmas ephemera and all my Christmas stuff, for lack of a better word. So, I don't know what it is about these videos, but I love watching them. So, I thought it would be fun to make one, even though sometimes I'm like, who's going to watch me putting my stuff away? Well, I would watch me putting my stuff away. There's something very fascinating and interesting about watching other people organize their stuff, move their stuff, put their stuff away. I'm not sure exactly what it is. There's something very cathartic and relaxing and satisfying about watching people put stuff away. So here we are. So I have got this 12 by 12. Yeah, it's 12 by 12 box that I got from Michael's. And my overall goal here is to get everything for Christmas in this box. And so what? Oh my God, look at all the cat hair on my hoodie. Did you see that? I should go back and rewind that. Oh my God, that anyways, that's a story for another day. We have two Siamese cats and I love them to death. So I like, pet hair is sort of like my kind of glitter. But anyways, please ignore all the cat hair that you see on that black hoodie. Um Okay, so I'm thinking here in this process, I mean, my overall thing, of course, is to get this to lay as flat as humanly possible. So I'm sort of staggering bits and pieces around, and I've done this in the past, and it sort of didn't work out so well in the sense that I thought I had everything in these plastic bins, but they're not the greatest quality of plastic. And so I kind of just crammed everything in there. And then when I went to reopen it the following season, it had cracked because of the way I guess the pressure was. I don't know. Um, that's not really, what would that be? That would be physics, I suppose, and definitely not my strong suit. Anyway, so lesson learned, I tried to, when putting this stuff away, I was trying to put it in such a way that everything was very even and flat. So I'm sort of just moving pieces of paper around here, which, let's be honest, I really love to do. Um, and so I'm fiddle farting around, and on some level, of course, I'm overthinking this, but I'm trying to think, how can I effectively distribute the weight evenly? That's the word I'm looking for. And so I got all the big pieces down first, and then I worked on the sort of the medium-sized pieces. I don't know why I felt like I had to put those other pieces in that paper bag, but that seemed to just work well to keep everything together, right? So then I'm starting to move on to the smaller pieces and these little tiny scraps that I know I will be glad next year that I saved. And now I'm going through all the tags and sort of really tiny pieces that I would use for pockets, but mostly tags. And yeah, so I'm thinking I was going to fold that envelope in half, but clearly I didn't. So now I got more of these bits and bobs, and I'm just deciding to throw all of those in an envelope. But those pom-poms, I think later I just sort of stuck in between something. I mean, again, let's be honest, this isn't rocket science. It's certainly fun, and all, I mean, it's part of it's the challenge, right? Like, can I get all this in here easy peasy, and also at the same time fairly organized so that when I come back at it next year, everything's easy to find. And I mean, I suppose, now that I think about it, I suppose on some sort of level, you could probably just throw everything in there willy-nilly. God forbid, if you were some kind of animal, you could throw all your craft supplies in there and not even worry about them being organized or being put together in an organized fashion. Oh my God, I'm starting to break out in hives just thinking about it. Um, Anyhow, so okay, so then I've got my rubber stamps. So I'm saving some of the bulkier stuff to go on the top because this box has a little bit of a lip. Aha. Okay, so I'm like, good. I have room to sort of, it doesn't have to be flat, you know what I mean? So I got my washi tape. Okay, we're in there, the stamps. Then I almost forgot about these rubber stamps. So I get them in there. Yep, everything's looking good. Okay, this is great. I'm so happy. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.